Often in simulations, there are cases where we may like to store the values of certain signals in a simulation into text files or CSV file for later analysis. In this tutorial, we will look at how we could capture signals into text and comma-separated value file. Let's choose some signals from the library and then connect it to A to file block. The block provides options to select the file name and location where you would like the file to be stored. Once a connection is done, let's try to run the simulation. As we can see, once the simulation is done, we can now open the file in our favorite editor and look at the contents. The first column generally contains the time of the simulation, and then the rest of the columns are data that are tab separated. We can try the same experiment now with a CSV file. Now we can open the CSV file in Excel and even plot to verify if the results are rightly captured. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you would like to try TwinSimulate, head to TwinSimulate.com and request a full-featured trial or try the free edition of TwinSimulate.